Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can fix slow computer problem on Windows 10. Basically how you can fix your slow Windows 10 PC. So for that I am using a remote desktop connection where I have installed Windows 10 because I am currently using Windows 11. So I'm gonna show you the process through this desktop connection, remote desktop connection. So first you have to open search for power options. If you search for that, you will find edit power plan option, so you have to click on that. So once it gets open, you have to click on change advanced power settings. So in here you have to make sure that hard disk, turn off hard disk after this is set to 0 minutes, and here you will sometimes find processor state. You have to select 100% always, then click on OK. Then you have to go to this main power option settings and click on high performance. Make sure it's high performance always. Basically it stays in balance mode. You have to select it high performance, but the thing is, if you select high performance it might consume more battery if you are using a laptop, but still high performance mode is suggested if you are using a laptop and it drains your battery faster. Then I would suggest you to use the laptop in wired mode always. So if you select high performance mode here, then your PC will be at least 10 to 20% faster for sure. Also you can open task manager, and in task manager if you have apps which are in startup, which are added in startup, then you will find startup option here. You can click on a particular app in that startup option and disable that. I would suggest you to disable programs on startup as well. I already have made a video in this channel, you can check, where I have showed you guys how to disable programs in startup. So that's how you can basically make your slow computer faster. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.